Okay, welcome to the next Blender video. So I do have some requests. I am working on those videos, don't worry. Today we're going to be making a hammer. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the render section right here and change out my EV to cycles. We'll go ahead and start with the default cube right here, and all we're going to do is just elongate it. So let's press S for scale, bring this across. Also, why have I neglected to put the screencast keys on? Always do this. Right, okay, so let's go to edit mode. I'm going to go ahead and go Control R. And we're just going to go ahead and thin this in just in the middle. And then I'm going to go Control R on the side, and we'll press S to scale upwards. Kind of make a nice little hammer. And then Control R and S to scale upwards. So I'm going to press A and press S again and just scale this in just slightly. And then we'll take this face right here, so let's go with G, bring this across, E for extrude, S for scale, gonna make it a little hammer shape. And then I'm going to do the exact same on this side, so E for extrude and then S for scale. And then all we're going to do from this point on, you can go ahead and shade it smooth if you want to be honest with you. I think it looks best like this. Let's go ahead with a cylinder. S for scale, bring it up. Right click, shade smooth, and then you're just going to scale it down. And that is your basic prop. So I'm going to go ahead and add a material to this. Just a kind of nice little basic project for anyone who's just starting out. So we've got metallic. Right here, we can go ahead and turn down the roughness on this if you want to. And then for this one, we will have kind of a wood colour. So let's go with the nice little brown. And there you go, basic hammer for a little prop for Blender. If you're just starting out with making stuff, super easy tutorial. Yeah, so if you guys liked, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.